What's up folks, Justin Phillip here and welcome to today's episode of Dog Times Productions. Today, I tested the limitations of the new BlackMagic RAW on the BlackMagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. I did 4 series of tests, all of them at the highest flavors of BlackMagic RAW, meaning I put the constant bitrate 3:1 versus constant quality Q0. So the first test I did was a grain test, and I underexposed by 5 stops when shooting the subject, and then I put it into DaVinci and tested to see how far back I could bring the image, see how much noise was there, see how much we could save it with noise reduction, and so forth. And then the second test was the opposite of that. I overexposed the image, and I did that by clipping on the waveform right at 100%. I tabletopped at the waveform at 100%, and then put it into DaVinci and seeing how much we could bring back, pull back the exposure and bring back the image and how much detail we could save. Now the third test was a Chroma Key test with the green screen. I put our subject in front of the green screen here. I properly exposed and well lit the green screen using false color, and then shot our subject against the green screen, and then put it into DaVinci and punched in at 200% and compared the outline of our subject against our Chroma Key, just seeing what kind of distortions or artifacts or any kind of aberration was there on the line where the subject lined up against the green screen. And then the fourth test was my favorite. It was the motion blur test or fast motion test. What I did, I brought a fan in here in the studio, I turned it on, and then I dropped a ball next to the fan. So we have 2 different kinds of motion. And I performed those tests at 24 frames, 60 frames, and then at the windowed 120 frames per second. All right, so there you are, enjoy. Alright, so there you have it folks, there's the test. Let me know in the comments below what you think, which one you prefer, if you can even tell the difference, yada yada. Just let me know your thoughts. Myself, I think I'm still going to stick with 3:1. I feel like that's the highest, even with the motion test. The whole point that I'm understanding, what I'm reading on the internet about constant quality is it's a limited amount of quantization. And quantization is a thing you don't want in your images, meaning that the Q0 setting is supposed to have the highest fidelity of images possible, even over constant bitrate 3:1. And if you notice on the charts, constant quality Q0 actually does go to the highest bitrate possible. So that is, if you are looking for the highest bitrate, Q0 is probably going to be the way to go. However, I don't know. When looking at these tests, I still think I prefer 3:1, but Q0 is good. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. If you've made it this far in the video, congratulations. Check out the description below, and I've left a Vimeo link down there for you, where you can not only look at these images in a little bit higher compression, but also you will be able to download them, put them in DaVinci yourself, push and pull those images, do whatever you like, okay? So with that being said, thank you for watching. Big shout out and huge thank you to all of my subscribers, and we'll catch you next time. Peace!